Stress test these things in your pro forma. And by pro forma, I simply just mean the numbers behind your project. Number one, you want to stress test your budget. You want to understand what happens if you're 20% over budget, if you're 30% over budget, right? You want to stress test what happens to your numbers when you're over budget. Number two, you want to stress test your timelines. What happens if the project is 6 or 9 months late, right? What does that look like? What are the additional carrying costs? And what are those impacts? Three, you want to start stressing your actual future rents. What does it look like if rents drop 20%? What does it look like if rents drops 30%, 50%? What does it look like if rents don't come in where we projected, right? If they're $200 less than what we projected. So stress test your future rents. And number four, stress test your operating expenses, right? Stress test what happens if insurance goes up, property taxes go up, if your maintenance goes up. Stress test what happens if you have turnovers that are more expensive, right? You want to really stress test your operating expenses as well. In the real estate game, there's always going to be risk. So you want to make sure that you understand that risk and find ways to mitigate it. If you're interested in getting into this game, please share, like, and follow, and we'll see you on the next